What is up everyone, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Honda E. Yes, that's right, the Honda E. Number 60 out of, number 60 from the Tomica series. Let's go ahead and unbox this. That's a weird way to start the video. So here is the Honda E, and yeah, Honda E. You might remember my previous video about the Honda E, which is from Matchbox, and you're looking at it again because I have the Tomica version now, and I must say this car seems slightly detailed than the the Matchbox version, and it seems a bit different. Not gonna lie. Let me take the Matchbox version. Here it is compared to the Matchbox, and you could probably see what I'm talking about here. You could basically see some differences between each other, especially the headlights and the rear lights. You could see that there are some slight differences between both of these castings, and let's take a look at the Tomica one first. So here's the Tomica Honda E, and as you can see, it is in more of like a plain white, more of like just a plain white. Pretty interesting. And as you can see, it has some blacked out rims, and one thing I would like to complain about the wheels. It has bicycle wheels. Like, seriously, look, you could just see how the thickness of the wheels are compared to what Matchbox made. Let me zoom in. Let me focus. You could see the size differences for the wheels, man. Those are some tiny bicycle wheels, Tomica. Now, I believe this is my only complaint for this car. I'm not typically sure, but the main problem for this car right now is basically the tiny wheels. Yeah, but you could probably see that how it looks from the front. I'm not sure you can see it or not. You kind of see it. You could see that both of them do not have the same tire width, but I could not do anything about that because it's what Tomica does, okay? You might have some slight issues on putting big wheels or some sort. So here's the front of the car, which basically the circle headlights are much more smaller and accurate than the Matchbox one. And then one thing, this does not have the front license plate, whereas Matchbox does. Then you have the charger port. Now, I just knew that this is actually a charger port in the front, and I thought it was some sort of like air filter somewhere, or maybe for the something for the bonnet or something. But no, it's actually a charger port for you to charge this electric vehicle, which is pretty nice. I wonder why they would put in the front. Not too sure. For the sides, it's okay. At least this one has more detail for the side mirrors, which are the CCTVs, which pretty nice. Rear view CCTVs. For the back, you do have the rear lights as well. A bit more accurate to the Matchbox version. I don't know why the Honda logo is a bit dark down there. I'm not sure why. And Tomica does not have the rear license plate. Whereas for the roof, it's hard to compare the roof between Matchbox and Tomica's because Tomica's has the all-metal top roof, whereas Matchbox has the plastic roof with a bit of metal on the back, which again seems a bit weird for the Matchbox version, but this one looks good. Not gonna lie, I'm gonna give credit to Tomica's version because the roof looks pretty darn cool. Nothing much differences. I think the interior should be the same. I couldn't say anything for the Matchbox one because you couldn't see the interior at all. So get out of the way. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to show the base. Tomica Hondae made in Vietnam. 161 scale, number 60, 2020. Now I think this car only came in one color if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if they've released it in other colors or not. But yeah, it's an interesting car, not gonna lie. It's fairly better than the Tomica Matchbox version. I don't know why I keep saying that this is Tomica, but yeah, I'm guessing that this is slightly better than Matchbox one. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another one. See you soon. Bye bye.